Hello, friends. We are headed for a key event of budget, and we have already seen a volatile week during the last week. So let's see what's expected going ahead. Last Friday's weakness was carried over to Monday's as well, and hence Nifty witnessed a decent corrective move on the opening day to test levels below 14,300. However, the Bulls were not ready to give up easily as they came back strong on the subsequent two sessions on the back of overall global optimism. In the process, all the major sectoral indices registered their new record highs. Everything looked hunky-dory until the sudden profit booking took place in the last hour of the weekly expiry. This sell-off went on to intensify on the last day of the week to erase all the weekly gains to conclude tad below the 14,400 mark. Earlier in the week, markets took a smart U-turn on lot of positivity across the globe. Although new highs were being hit, we were not convinced with the move, and we had clearly stated in a previous commentary that the higher levels will get sold into. The main reason behind this was indices like Nifty, Bank Nifty were making new highs with negative divergence. Such divergence with 3 point are generally a sign of caution, and hence repeatedly we advised during the last commentary not getting carried away with the euphoria. Now, although Nifty has not broken any major supports, the development in Bank Nifty does not look encouraging at all. In fact, the entire banking and financial space was the major culprit behind Friday's correction, as they took a solid knock. To be specific, Bank Nifty has confirmed a double top pattern on the daily chart and has broken its important swing low with an ease. The weekly chart of the same exhibits a confirmation of long-legged doji pattern. For Nifty, the important support to watch out would be 14,222, below which the recent bullish structure will get distorted to extend the correction towards 14,000 and 13,800 levels. On the higher side, 14,500, 14,632 would be seen as immediate hurdle. Historically, it is rare to see a major trend reversal ahead of any mega event. Hence, it would be interesting to see how things pan out in this week, as the union budget is around the corner. Looking at the price development, it does not look encouraging. All eyes should be on the financial space because if further weakness has to come, it would certainly be led by this space. We continue to avoid advise staying light and on positions and should ideally avoid creating leverage positions ahead of the budget. With a broader view, if any significant correction comes, it would be a great opportunity to accumulate quality propositions in a staggered manner. Thank you.